Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you are very, very well. So how would you like me to force you to make money online? Sounds pretty cool. Okay, well look, as you can see above, it says unbelievable 31 of my top products. And if I take me out of the way, it says to force you to make money online. Okay, so what I've done is I've put together 31 of my top products, and you're going to get this for a crazy discount. All right, this is the most ridiculous no-brainer you've ever seen. So for a start, you're going to get Giant ebook kit, which is 3,000 ebooks with PLR and MRR rights. You're also going to get the Giant article pack, which is 300,000 high-quality articles. You're going to get the Crypto Profit Kit, which includes done-for-you videos, done-for-you graphics, done-for-you products, done-for-you offers, done-for-you website, done-for-you articles, and includes full PLR rights. You're going to get 365 ready-to-use viral memes in the cryptocurrency niche. You're also going to get ebook cash, instant access to 350 ebooks with PLR and MRR rights. You're going to get Pick Phrase Pro, instant access to 3,000 motivational image quotes with PLR rights. You're going to get List Prodigy, how to build your own personal ATM cash machine. You're going to get the motivational videos pack, unlock instant access to a PLR package of 300 motivational videos. You're going to get 3,000 ChatGPT prompts with PLR. You're going to get AI Prodigy, which is a stupidly simple weird system that banks us $136.28 per day on YouTube using only AI and set and forget passive income. You're going to get how to create unlimited viral images. You're going to get Cash Prodigy. You're going to get SEO Masterclass 2.0 with PLR. You're going to get drone footage videos, 300 amazing drone footage videos with PLR. You're going to get 15 million PLR assets. 15 million. You're going to get children's books PLR pack. 40 children's books with PLR rights. All 40 ebooks come with PLR rights. All 40 ebooks come with e-covers. You're going to get the private income files, exclusive and 100% brand new, never before released package of super high quality PLR books. You're going to get travel videos PLR pack, 200 travel videos with PLR rights. You're going to get the colouring books PLR pack, 40 colouring books with PLR rights. You're going to get Free Traffic Prodigy, how we built a free traffic machine that already made us $26,252 in the first 28 days. You're going to get the meditation PLR pack, 50 guided meditation audio tracks with PLR rights. You're going to get Parasite Traffic Prodigy, how we turn on the secret mega money parasite traffic tap in any niche and bank $317 per day. You're going to get the Dinosaur Books PLR pack, 25 dinosaur books for kids with PLR rights. You're going to get Niche Domination Prodigy, a brand new tried and tested strategy for affiliate commissions in any niche. You're going to get kids story videos with PLR, 50 kids story videos with PLR rights. You're going to get Money Magnet Prodigy. You're going to get kids colouring pages with PLR, 1,000 kids colouring pages. You're going to get self-help books with PLR. This goes on and on. 30 self-help books with PLR rights. You're going to get the 7-Day Marketer, how we make $497 sales over and over in our sleep. You're going to get Passive Maestro, the holy grail of making money online, passive income. And you're going to get Safari Animals colouring pages, 500 Safari Animals colouring pages. Now that, I've got to say, is a massive bundle. That is bonkers. So what I've done is I've pulled together all of these assets so that you've got PLR assets plus training plus all sorts of strategies in those trainings to help you make money online. So this complete bundle is everything you need when it comes to making money online. And you're saving a small fortune here by getting this bundle. I've actually packaged this up to something that is so affordable that you'd be crazy to let this one slip through your fingers. Now, obviously, everything's going to be all in one place as well, so you can access everything very easily. You've got the assets and the training. You've got everything you need here to enable you to make money online. Now, this is very limited. I can only let a few of these go. So if you click on the buy button and you see availability, grab it. If it says it's unavailable, then I'm sorry, you're too late and you're going to have to come back maybe another time. But do yourself a favour, grab this now because this is insane value. I am definitely a few grapes short of a bunch for doing this for you. So go ahead, click on this now, and I'll see you on the other side. All the best.